In this video, we learn about categorical type of data. We know that when we consider the data set, each and every data is not available in a form of numeric value. So it may be some data value. So we consider not, here I write, not all data is numeric. Some data may be text type, some data is string type. So we can say that pandas has category. Panda has category D type, that is data type, that can encode the categorical value. So I write here categorical value. Then when we consider the categorical value, it can be memory, and speed efficient. So when we are going to consider the categorical type of data, it is supported to all type of operation, and memory performance as well as speed is automatically going to increase to store data in this manner. Because we are going to store the data, and when we are going to store the data in a form of categorical type of data, then the speed as well as the memory performance is automatically increases. Then again I'm going to write if the data set includes many repeated, I select this as a markdown first, many repeated string values. Okay, then categorical data may be appropriate. Then a column of value, has an order. Means we can say that when we are going to consider the categorical type of data, it consists of some value, but it is in specific order. Then we are going to consider the Python libraries, understand how deal with the categorical data. So in that we are going to consider this statistical model. So we are going to fit the various statistical models. Now we are going to focus here how we are going to convert the categorical type of data. So I select this is the markdown and try to run it. Again I'm going to consider another cell. So here I write convert to categorical data. So I'm going to consider some data and I'm going to convert it into categorical type of data. So what should I do? Here I required some data set as well as I required a pandas for performing this particular operation initial. So what should I do? I write here import pandas as a PD, import cbon as a SNS, and I'm going to load the data from SNS. So SNS dot load, then here I write underscore data set, so load underscore data set, and then we call the data. We call the data name as a tips. So I'm going to run this first. Now check. In last video, I also used same data set to perform the operation, and in previous video I consider numeric value. So here I'm going to consider the categorical value. So for performing this particular operation, I require pandas and sequence, and I'm going to load here tips value. Sorry, not a tips value. I'm going to load here my data set, which is available in form of data frame, and my data set name is tips. Then here my cell is going to run. It requires some time. Now what we do? Here I write here I make some mistake. It's a data set, not a text set. Now it's running. When I'm going to convert to category, so what we are going to consider to convert a column into a categorical type. We pass. What do we pass? We pass category. We pass category into the as type. Now, so this is the markdown cell for me, and I'm going to run this. Now what should I do? I check first what are the different columns are available in my data set. So I write here data.head. So data.head is responsible for printing few value. So I write here I'm going to print or display first few value. Try to run it. Okay. So these are some entries. Then what should I do? I'm going to consider the data type of each and every column. So I write data dot d type. Now I'm going to check. Here the data type of each and every record. So I made some mistake. Why this thing is going to happen? So again I'm going to check this. I write data dot d types. Okay, that's correct. Data. So I forgot to write s. Now what should I do? I'm going to consider here, let's say smoker, day, time, or sex. These are the column. It is associated with categorical type of data. So I'm going to perform here some operation. And try to change the column into string object. So what should I do? Here I'm going to perform convert the category type of column into string object. So I select this is the markdown cell for me and try to run it. Now what should I do? I say data. Inside the data I call my column name. So let's say here I consider sex is a column name, and here I write equal to data. Inside the bracket, square bracket, again I call my column name, and here I write as type. and here I mention I'm going to convert categorical type of column into the string object. So here I write str. Here I write str. Okay, so try to run it. Any error? No. Now what should I do? Here I'm going to type this command and check what happened. So here initially this column name having data type category, now it is going to convert it into object, string object. Now revert back to categorical type. So I write here convert string object into categorical type. So what should I do? Here I select this is the heading for me, second level heading, and then here I am going to perform same operation as I copy this command. Instead of str, here I write category. Here I write category. Here I write category. Then try to run this, and again I call data dot dtimes. Data dot dtimes. Try to run. Here again my column name and the sex is converted into category. Okay, so in this way you are going to convert categorical type of data into the string object as well as vice versa.